Okay, let's go.
Welcome to Chimati's Calculus Clinic, a clinic that will provide Panadol Extra for your mathematical brouhaha. Please, this is MAN 2020 Olympiad competition. They said if you simplify 5 root 12 plus 4 root 72 minus 3 root 18 plus 2 root 75. This question is from a subtopic of SOD, addition and subtraction of SOD. We know that SODs are radicals. SODs are irrational numbers expressed as SODs are irrational numbers expressed as what? Square root of non-perfect squares. SODs are what? Irrational numbers expressed as square root of non-perfect squares. So, but in exam, they will not ask you what is SOD, but you need to know what you are doing. You have to know what you are doing before you think of how to do it. So, what are we going to do here? Okay, 5 root 12 plus 4 root 72 minus 3 root 18 plus 2 root 75. This is moi moi. What are we going to do? We simplify each of these in their what? Simplest form. SODs can be simplified in their simplest form or as a single SOD. So this, we simplify each of these: root 12, root 72, root 18, root 75. Now, how do we do that? Let me just give you one example here. Look at this, root 12. Now, what are we going to do? Look for what? Product of two numbers, two different numbers. That one of the numbers is a perfect square. Or the highest factor of 12, that is what? A perfect square. You know that factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Yes, this is a perfect square, but it is not the highest factor that is a perfect square. So we pick this. Yes, this is the highest factor that is a perfect square. You now pick this 4. Ask yourself, 4 times what will give you 12? 4 times 3. And this is something as what? Root 4 times root what? 3. According to number 1 rule of SOD, that says that root A times root B is the same as root AB. Very good. So now, what are we going to do? Square root of 4 is what? 2. Now root what? 3. This cannot be simplified further. This is called basic form of a SOD, because you can't express this as a product of two numbers where one is a perfect square except 1. Did you get it now? Now let's proceed. Let's proceed with this. So we can simplify each of this in this form. There's another way we can do this. There is another way we can simplify this. How? This is 12. This method is a kindergarten method of doing this. What can go here? 2. 2 here is 6. 2 can go 3. 3. Now, which one appears more than once? 2. Group them into 2. Take 1. Did you get it now? Now, the one that appears once, we go with the root. So 2 root 3. Have you seen it now? So 2 root 3, 2 root 3. So you can use any of the what? Methods. Let's proceed now. So this is the same as what? 5, 4 times 3 plus 4, 36 times 2, 3, 9 times 2, 2, 25 times 3, Yes, this is very simple. So let's proceed now. This will give us 5 root 4 times root 3, 4 root 36 times root 2 minus 3 root 9 times root 2 plus 2 root 25 times root 3. This is the same as 5 times 2. Square root of 4 is what? Square root of 4 is what? 2. So root 3 plus 4 times 6 root 2 minus 3 times 2. Sorry, 3 times 3 root 2 plus 2 times 5 root 3. Yes, this is 10 root 3. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 root 2 minus 9 root 2 plus 10 root 3. Moi moi. What next? We collect like terms. What are the terms here? The terms here are root 3 and root 2. So we group root 3 together. Here is 10 root 3. This is also what? 10 root 3 plus 24 root 2. 24 root 2 minus 9 root 2. Now let's continue. 10 root 3 plus 10 root 3. It means that you have how many root 3? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you have 10 root 3 here, you have 10 root 3 here. If you add them together, that will be what? 20. So that will give us 20 what? Root 3. Here we have 20 root 2 minus 9 root 2. You have root 2, root 2, root 2 into what? 24 places. Now remove 9 from them. 24 minus 9 is what? 24 minus 9 is 15. This will give us what? Plus 15 root 2. This is correct, but it is mathematically childish to leave it like this, since it is still simplifiable. Now something is common. 5 is common. Are you there? 5, this divided by 5 will give us what? 4. 4 root 3 plus, yes, plus what? 3 root 2. This is our final what? Answer. Moi. Thank you so much.